All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. What do you do to relax yourself?
I like to do gardening to relax ourselves,
To relax myself,
myself,
yeah.
because gardening provides me a chance to come closer to nature, and as well as it also provides me to to relieve myself from stresses of life.
Okay, so to answer your question, in order to relax myself, I do gardening and second thing. This is one sentence conclusion, okay? Let's go on. Do you think doing sports is a good way to relax?
In my opinion, sports is very important for physical health, as well as it is also important for psychological and mental health of well-being of human being.
Okay.
So yeah.
So I think
So I
sports,
think
yeah, and you can just add some more to it.
Okay.
Let's go on. Do you think vacation is a good time for you to relax? Vacation or holidays is a good time to relax?
According to me, vacation is very important because it provides and it gives a time which can you spend with your family,
Which you can spend with your family.
which you can spend with your family, due to which the family ties and bonds become more strong and also
Become stronger.
become stronger, and also it
Recharges us.
recharges us from these stresses of life.
All right, this is very good. Let's go on. How do you relax yourself at home?
Well, I relax myself at home by playing video games and also to do some exercise in my backyard. So in this way, I relax myself from different activities and helping my family also.
All right. Do you prefer to spend your free time relaxing or doing something?
Uh, Personally, I prefer to do something like to read novels and watch English documentaries on history, and as well as also scientific movies. I like also to watch them. So in this way, I want to busy myself.
Yeah, in this way, I want to keep myself busy. This is good. You've got the potential. Keep it up, okay? With a little practice, inshallah, you'll be very fine.
Thank you.
All right, let's go on. Your turn. Please, special costumes. That means some special
Yeah,
dresses.
different kind of dresses.
Yeah, exactly. So let's take a start with it. Do you like to wear different dresses or special dresses?
It's a costume, not a dresses.
Costumes are the dresses actually.
So costume we wear on different type
Occasions,
of events,
so they are dresses.
on dramas or on like Halloween.
It depends actually, but we use the word costumes. For example, if you go to attend a wedding, so there's a special costume for that. You go to attend a ball for dance, there is a special costume for
Okay, now
that.
I
So the
got
word costume can be used for anything like
Okay,
that.
so what's the question?
Now, do you like to wear special costume?
Yeah, I really love to wear special costume because firstly it makes me feel excited, and secondly I feel relaxed and overwhelmed.
I feel relaxed,
I feel relaxed and overwhelmed while I wear
overwhelmed.
while I wear different kind of costumes. So yeah,
Okay.
I really like it.
Yeah, and you can use the word costume if you're, for example, you want to become a ladybug, you wear Mickey Mouse.
Okay.
You're wearing the costume of Mickey Mouse
Yeah.
and all that. What do we have? That Doraemon. Yeah, you can become Doraemon, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go on. Did you try any special costumes when you were young?
Yes, actually I tried once at my school events. I tried a costume for a specific character while I was playing at a drama who was held by our
Which was arranged by?
which was arranged by our management of school. So yeah, at that time I once wear.
I once wore a
Wore.
special costume, and
Uh,
that was the costume of.
I really never forget
Yeah.
that.
All right,
time.
you can say that was the costume of a butterfly. Okay. When was the last time you wore any special costume?
The last time I wore the special costume at my friend's birthday.
On my friend's birthday.
On my friend's birthday, who turned 18 now. So we friends make a.
We friends
try to make a different kind of event. So
try to arrange different kind of events.
try to arrange, like we try to make a different kind of thing. We all wear different.
We all wore
We all wore different costumes
different costumes
to make our friend
to celebrate his birthday.
to celebrate
Simple.
To
His birth-
celebrate his birthday.
All
good.
right. Okay, that's good. One last question. Did you ever buy special costume?
Actually, I never buy.
I have never bought.
Okay. Actually, I never bought any special costume by myself. I'm that person who would love to make by myself own. So I never buy it. I always make it by myself.
No, you make it by yourself or you never buy. What does it mean?
I mean,
You want others to buy it for you?
no. Actually, I want to say that I never buy a cloth, any new cloth by myself. I would love to make it by myself.
You would love to make it by, like you want others to buy it for you.
No. I try. To
Okay,
say that.
you make it on your own. All
Yeah,
right,
yeah,
that's what
okay. Actually, it's my first
So
time.
if examiner is confused, then band will not go beyond 3, 4, 5. Okay, don't confuse the examiner.
Can I answer it again?
Sure, why not? Did you ever buy special costume?
Actually, I never buy special costume by my own. I would rather love to made by myself.
I would love to make it by myself,
Myself.
and I'm a very good dress designer as well.
Okay.
So if I have to make the costume of a butterfly, Doraemon, I can make it on my own like that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.